It's really nice. The track is a bit dirty now, so I get a bit slippery. But I like the balance of the car. It's the balance is really nice. The car, like in my hands, drives perfectly, even on like a difficult track. Yeah, overall it's really nice. So for competitions, I drive a Suzuki Swift. It's made for rally with different suspension. We changed the motor a bit, put stickers on the car, everything.
But this one is probably not for the rally, yeah?
No, it's not for the rally. Even though it's for asphalt, like I feel it. It's really nice to drive. I think like even somebody inexperienced can have a fun time with the car. It's very refined, yeah. From the website, I saw the car had a really nice design, so yeah, I was expecting. Well, I expected it to be a bit bigger. Being a bit smaller surprised me, but it's for the good because it's more agile. I thought it would have like a major problem driving it, but nothing. I think it's capable of being faster than a Porsche because the car is lighter, the motor has higher horsepower capabilities, and it has a shorter wheelbase, which in my eyes makes it go faster. Yes, it will be my first kit car. I've had all my cars pre-assembled. This one is special. It comes in pieces, which for somebody like me, it's really fun to build. The whole point of a kit car is to assemble it by yourself. I'll have a really fun time doing it. So I'll have a really fun time with my dad assembling it, and really, really fantastic project.